look, it is the oops, I don't know what. Yeah, this is the second day of the staycation thing.
Does this look like it would be
Yeah.
part of the movie theater? Looks like it would be a part.
And that looks literally
just
like a
because of
theater,
the-
right? It looks like a theater to me.
Because of the,
Oh,
Okay.
it's the
Okay,
red
you know how to
planet
do this, right?
thing with
That's
the.
the key.
There's the derpy chicken.
That's the key from
The
the-
chicken. Look at the chicken.
Oh, look, it looks like the chicken's also dabbing.
The chicken's dabbing. Chicken dabbing.
Okay. Yep.
A chicken dab.
Chicken dab, chicken dab, chicken dab.
Okay.
Say
okay.
chicken gun?
Push.
Yeah, shoot you.
Yeah.
Okay. There's the room.
And what do you think of this room?
Nice.
It's nice. Noise.
It's nice.
Yeah, and we forgot to close the door. You remember
Yeah.
when we went down?
Yeah, we forgot to close the door.
Yeah, we thought we got robbed.
I didn't think that we got robbed. Only you did.
But you said we closed the door. You told me. You remember we closed the door.
I wasn't sure. I think it I don't know.
Okay.
I didn't think that we were robbed. Liar. Oh, look at that fridge. Look at that mini fridge. And now there's the bathroom.
No free toothbrush.
No free toothbrush. Why would they give you a toothbrush?
Other hotels do.
Our hotels do. They do not give you toothbrushes because it's unsanitary.
Of course, they're gonna give you a new one, a clean one.
I don't know. Oh no, it's Aya's mom. Let's stop
Why
getting
is
her.
this room smaller? Why is this room smaller?
You don't need a bigger
People
room.
keep messaging your
Just
thing.
comment on the video. Ignore the notifications. What's the
Okay.
matter with you?
I was just looking at the notifications.
No,
Okay.
no.
Look
A
at that.
sudden transition.
Yeah. Okay, mom.
It's like, okay, that was the room. Now here's the food.
Yeah, here's the food.
Yeah.
You were like, you give me more.
Yeah.
You
What's
want more
important
bread.
is
More
just
bread.
here's the room tour.
Yeah.
Here's a bidet, and now let's
And-
go to the buffet.
What was that?
What do you mean?
What was that rhyme?
Yeah.
And look, hopefully this doesn't make you
Look.
throw up.
Okay.
What?
Look at that bread over there.
Look, it is a food.
I think that's garlic fried rice.
Yeah, it's the garlic
Oops.
fried rice.
And
Ignore the shakiness. Ignore the shakiness. I was the one
That's
recording. I
a
was
fake flour.
Yeah, I was looking at a fake flower. And there's the cafe. Yeah. Okay.
Strangers.
I think it's
Strangers. Stranger danger. Stranger things. Stranger things.
Sorry, strangers.
Strangers. Oh no, should blur
There's your
it.
hand.
There's my hand. Ignore my hand.
There's me still buttering that bread.
I have no idea what that is.
Maybe that's the egg. I forgot. That's the corned beef.
And that's
Oh, the luncheon meat.
soup. And that's fish.
And the
chicken
fried
nuggets.
shomai, and then there's the fried egg. I remember there's corned beef and there's chop suey.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know.
And I'm recording a ketchup bottle, of course. Of course, recording a ketchup bottle.
Someone getting coffee.
Yeah, just ignore the person getting coffee. And then I'm just looking at random things because I don't know what else to record.
There's your gorgeous face, Mom.
Yeah, you can't even see her face. See? Can't even see that face. I can see your eyeball. I saw your eyeball. Exposed. Face was exposed. And then I am trying to make people sick. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not trying to make people sick. I'm trying to do something cool. I don't know.
How is that cool?
I don't know. I don't even know. I was doing random things because I don't know what else
like
to do.
spinning around.
Yeah, like if I would, like the camera is doing acrobatics, okay? Like if it was in the circus. Like if it was in the circus, now it's climbing something. Climbing the head of something.
Yeah, we get free iced tea.
Iced tea.
And they're like, oh my gosh, this kid.
This kid.
Stop pointing the cameras.
Are you sure? Oh look, I'm recording the NBA TV because I don't know. I'm actually watching NBA. So yeah, the thing. I'm watching on the TV.
And that's it.
And then there is just pictures and stuff.
Thanks for watching.